It's exactly what I was looking for, as I've said. I knew I needed to delve deeper and record things in a better way, but I just didn't know exactly the best way to do that.
This has been just, really good for reinforcing and building on what we sort of learnt there, just in this sort of segmented, week by week section. It just makes it a lot easier to sort of build on those principles. And it's been fantastic. So thanks.
The online version really outweighs a face-to-face version, I think, with the time it takes and being able to have the break between sessions and, dig deep into it.
I've also really liked the fact that it's recorded and it's just a little bite each week, rather than I think sitting for a 3-day course or whatever this one is would have been really overwhelming for me. But being able to do little bits at a time, go back and listen to things, that's been really helpful for me.
I have taken a lot away from it. Like I said earlier, from the organisational, just general of the office and books and, filing, to being able to fill out a spreadsheet and actually realise what's costing us what and where money is going. So, to come in this with next to no idea and to leave with, like Georgia and I were saying, like goals, like actually making goals and being able to make them realistically.
The balance sheet and profit and loss, I guess getting familiar and better understanding of those concepts, which really, for basic things in life, like going to see the bank manager and the accountant, you can communicate with them a lot more. We've had appointments with our bank manager since the course, and it's just really helped, having those conversations with those people in your business.